What's up, guys? I'm doing another radio scanner review on my Uniden Bct15x. I actually had this for about 3 weeks. Got it from my girlfriend for Christmas, so this is like a little new addition to my other scanner I have, which is the BC370 CRS from Uniden. This one's pretty cool. It has 9,000 dynamic memory, so this holds a lot of frequencies. It's separated by systems and groups when you edit it. You also use a free scan software, which you can download for free. And it has band scope, alpha tags, actually GPS. You can use GPS if you have the GPS system. Close call, RF capture, which I don't use. You can listen to Motorola EDA-CS and LTR radio systems. Band frequencies from 25 megahertz all the way up to 1.3 gigahertz. Has a really cool backlighting that you can adjust by just pressing this one right here, and you turn it off by the bottom left. Top left is your squelch, which I leave it on setting 2. Right now it has nothing to scan but on my banks, but you have your scan, search, hold, resume. This toggles as the option to go through your frequencies. You have your menu, program location, which you would do your state. You can do search for, service search. That's just your basic public safety news, ham radio, marine, railroad, air, CB radio, FRS, GM red. Those are two-way walkie-talkies, racing, FM broadcast, military air, special. I guess it's your government or whatever. So yeah, it's actually built really well. Has a really good backlight to it. I use this paired with my other radio scanner. I usually have this on TBD or fire, also railroad, but I have air and ham radio all programmed into it. It's built really well. The antenna it comes with is actually pretty good, but I actually have it connected to a Tram 1094 that's sitting in my windowsill. It comes with the power adapter, automotive accessory, power plug, auxiliary 3-wire harness, telescopic antenna, serial PC interface cable. I use the PCI cable to connect it. You have one in the front and then one in the rear. You can actually set this up to record from the back. You can set up a recorder up with it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. Let's see, it's already on, but put on my frequencies.
Cycle hum on there, but it's not bad.
UK I0R73.
It's your ham radio. It's 6. Union Pacific. Got my railroad. DFW International Airport. You can pass it up by just moving it up.
85 to 75-year-old. The caller feels the daughter is being isolated and controlled.
So you can turn
by the
off
couple.
groups by just pressing 3 is my DPD. That's fire dispatch is 5. You can lock it out by just pressing lockout right here and press it again to unlock it. I'll turn off fire. Field. Right now it's on scanning railroad and ham radio.
RWK Omni Rocket.
And it also comes with the
Hard
little
node,
stand
and we're just
you
about
can use for
fixing
on
to
a
install
table
stuff
or
on the
mount it
tower,
on the
a good thing when you get here.
in the car. So yeah, it actually works really well. I like it.
Alright,
Definitely
like I said,
recommend it.
probably about an hour from now I'll be there. Step 3, keep my 5.
picks up signals really well now because it has a signal on the top right of your screen. See that you can lock that out. Just press lockout. If sometimes you'll get transmissions that you don't want to hear, but overall it's a pretty good radio scanner. So definitely check it out. Uniden Bct15x.
Yeah, everyone, it's it.
There's that.
Coming up on Malcolm X here. We gotta be close.
On the vehicle.
374, we got behind you. We're just cold trailing it. Everyone, he crossed over Malcolm X and got back on Marburg again, eastbound.
Well, I've got on him on 7. He's off.
Up in here, one.
There's a couple covers.
Under one, they're bailing out. We need cover over here, code 3. Running, got a black male running north on Rosine.
North on Rosine.
432. Alright, he's running eastbound through an alleyway over here. Got somebody chasing him. Got an officer chasing him. Alright, he's running back, guys, running back towards the stolen car. Running back westbound. Air 1, suspect, officer, taking him in custody now. Turn left.
Unit has the suspect in custody.
In custody, yeah, right now, they're struggling. On your right, officer, on your right. Mark, tell me if he's in the field, just right on your right. One got cover with him now, he reduced cover. Suspect in custody, good job.
See, as you can see, the audio comes in very well on this radio scanner. Remember, I'm using a Tram 1094 external antenna that's in my windowsill, so it picks up really well.
For the back of the apartment.
Also, I would like to say, man, like, if you're amateur, like, as far as programming these radios, I would definitely get something easier. It's actually kind of difficult if you don't know what you're doing. Like, remember, it doesn't come with a manual, so you kind of have to figure it out yourself or look it up online on the older model. But that's one thing I didn't like about it didn't come with the user manual. But like I said, I figured it out. But definitely the quality is really good on the audio. The signal strength, I mean, it comes in pretty well, as you can see. Yes, and also the telescopic antenna it comes with is actually pretty good. I had no issues with it, so don't worry about buying the extra, like, try to get a better antenna, because the one it comes with is actually pretty good. I just bought a external one because I wanted to see how far I can reach out, so.
Number?
So this is like my local airport, DFW in Lovefield. Lovefield is probably like, I don't know, 15-20 miles away. DFW is probably like 30 to 45 miles away, so I can actually pick them up pretty well. I'm gonna do like the next little segment is gonna be I'm gonna run all my programmed frequencies on all my banks to get an idea how it works, and then I'll have my railroad frequencies going so you can see the audio reception on that.
There's a departure 25, 50. Site 71 Papa.
Well received. Thank you, Rick. 32.
Papa, we would like to come to the Deer Park Airport. 01 Papa, Deer Park Airport, 2, Park, Deer Park, 6, area figure, radio, Deer Park, Deer Park, 6, 2, that right there. Fuck Deer Park, F98, out of 8,000 for 16,000, 2 So we're reduced departure for come on.
6X on Garrett, 6X on Washington, and the 4001 on Fitzhugh. PM.
On CWJ5J, repeater PL1 10.9.
Come on, I'm in LB.
Stop the whiskey. 100 Park Drive, that's your phone, there's no first step. If you want to park, they can try this 4745 is ready to come to you. Go to tower. Sorry for that, 400 Park, November. Sorry.
En route, 4602 Columbia.
9 is okay at 1231, 1231, dispatchers C, Delta, Delta, Mix over. Yes, sir, that's all correct. On 799-42. Thank you, over.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, dispatcher, I was trying to tone you up there on 35. I don't know if I can do that or not, but I've lost contact with my conductor. Think you could go there and maybe translate it for me, over?
Coming on to 35, here we go.
Thank you.
Dispatcher 27, conductor for the AARDA, over.
RDA, conductor, over.
Dispatcher 27, looking for the conductor, AARDA, over. Yeah, the engineer can't hear you, but I can. What's our next move, over? Yeah, over. You need a release check, is that correct? Did you get a copy on that head end at AARDA?
Yeah, I did. I heard that.
Again, on 35, it does activate when you tell me there, and I can come back when you need.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Here comes the release there, conductor AARDA.